Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Malinee from Malinee's Artist channel. Today I'm going to make guacamole with a Thai twist. If you are interested, please keep watching. We're gonna make the sauce first. Crush 5 garlic cloves. Then crush 6 chilies. And add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then put 1 teaspoon of plum sugar. If you don't have plum sugar, you can use white sugar or brown sugar. Using plum sugar gives you a smoother sweetness. Then add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Fish sauce gives you a nice fragrance of the fish. And in Thai dish, we always use fish sauce instead of salt. So you can either use salt or fish sauce, either one that you like. Because now I'm watching my sugar intake. So I'm using 4 packs of wholeearth. Then I'm adding 10 teaspoons of lime juice. Now the sauce is ready. We're gonna prepare the avocados. Make sure you use the right avocado. Just taste it by press the avocado. If it's a little bit soft, that means it's ready. I'm using 4 medium avocados. Cut them in half. I'm going to crush 5 of the halves. And the rest I'm gonna cut in pieces. You can crush them all, but I feel that have some pieces of avocado give a nicer texture. Avocado pits are edible. I blend it with protein drink for my husband's breakfast. I'm using forks to crush the avocado. Smash it as much as you want. The rest of the avocados, I use knives to cut them in pieces, then spoon them out. Add the chunks into the smashed avocados. Then add the sauce into the avocados and mix well. Add chopped parsley. Mix well. I cut 6 grape tomatoes in half and then mix with the avocados. Before serving, put fried shallots on the top, sprinkle on the top as much as you want. You can buy this fried shallots at the Asian supermarket and it will give you a nice texture and also sweetness. This is a secret of my guacamole recipe. You will love it. I saute my shallot again because I feel that it gives a better taste, but you can just use it as it is. It's also good too. This is a very simple recipe and also very healthy. I hope you give it a try. You can eat it with fresh vegetables or chips. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.
อร่อยมากเลยค่ะ